Get your tabs,
Okay.
because that's what you're gonna hold on to. So this is what we're gonna do, works of art, meaning it's work, but it's art. So I'm coming here to homeowners, I'm gonna show them how to do it, but they're actually gonna do it.
So I'm gonna line it up
Yeah,
with this dot right here.
yeah. So sort of hold it like, this is the way you hold it so it doesn't hit the wall.
Because they're long and...
Line up your tab right on the dot. Yeah, this tab, this tab.
Yep.
Yeah, and then let it hang plumb. When it stops moving, yeah, now you can stamp it. You want to hold maybe with one hand flat. Now are you hitting it with your fist because your hands hurt?
No, I watched you do it.
Oh yeah, that's because I'm 100 and I have arthritis. You can do it
I'm
flat.
learning. Teach me your ways, Lori.
And hit pretty hard so the paint, there you go. And then you hold it, very good. And make sure you get all your, make sure you hit all
Up
your
there.
spots.
Okay.
Yeah, you should be
Let's
pretty
see.
good. Let's see what it looks like. Very good. And if it moves a little, it's okay, because once the overall design is done, it looks super pretty.